Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student and welcome to the course of Media and Society in Pakistan with the course code GMC 151 lecture number 10. Dear student, the topic of today's lecture is Code of Conduct Rules 2005 for media broadcast or cable television. I am Mrs. Afa Bangash, lecturer journalism and mass communication department, Kohart University of Science and Technology, Kohart. Dear student, the agenda of today's lecture is Electronic Media Code of Conducts 2015 and Code of Conducts for Media Broadcaster or Cable Television Operators Program, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Act 1973, the Indecent Advertisement Prohibition Act 1963, and the Right of Access to Information Act 2017. Electronic Media Code of Conduct 2015. Dear student, let's start today's lecture. Electronic Media Code of Conduct, we will start with a short title. This code may be called the Electronic Media Program and Advertisement Code of Conduct 2015. It shall come into force at once. And here's the definitions of this Electronic Media Code of Conduct. Student, the definition means in this code of conduct, whatever we are using the words, here's the meaning of that words, which will help you to understand it. So here's a definition: unless there is anything repugnant in the subject or content. Aspiration means spread false and harmful charge against someone, attack the reputation of a person with harmful allegations. However, a fair comment does not mean aspiration, and content includes program and advertisement. Conflict zone, student, means the area where law enforcement agencies or armed forces are empowered or employed for operation to maintain court order of the state. And the current affair program means program that contains explanation and analysis on of current events and issues. And footages include the material telecasted by a broadcaster. Foreign content means a content that is produced under direct or indirect creative control of foreigners, foreign companies, or foreign broadcasters. And the foreigners shall have the same meanings as assigned to it under the Foreigners Act 1946 or any other law for the time being in force. Student incidents shall have the same meaning as assigned to it in the Incident Advertisement Injunction Act 1963 or any other law for the time being in force. Ordinance mean Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority Ordinance 2002. Illegal organization shall have the same meaning as assigned to it under the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, and the sectarian shall have the same meaning as assigned to it under the Anti-Terrorism Act and or any other law for the time being in force. Terrorist shall have the same meaning assigned to it under the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, and student, the words and expressions used but not defined herein shall, unless the content otherwise requires, have the same meanings assigned to them in the ordinance, the rules and regulation made thereunder. Electronic Media Code of Conduct 2015. Student, here is the fundamental principles, and without prejudice to any other restrictions in this regard, statements of illegal organization, private behavior and information. Let's start with the fundamental principle. Dear student, the fundamental principle is here: the license shall ensure that the content is aired which is against the Islamic values, ideology of Pakistan or founding father of the nation, including Qaid-e-Azam, and Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. And the student disregards of the democratic setup against the command of the Constitution of Pakistan, provided that the decisions on improvement of democracy shall constitute a fair comment and includes a call to arm against the Federation of Pakistan or anything against the integrity, security and defense of Pakistan. And student passing or passes insulting remarks about any religion, sect, community or use visual or word disapproving of a religious sect and ethnic groups or which promote communal and sectarian attitude or conflict, and shouldn't contain insulting comment that provokes hatred and disrespect against any individual or group of persons on the basis of race, caste, nationality, ethnic or color, religion, sect, gender, age, and mental or physical disability. And student, in the fundamental principle, here is the in violation of copyright or other related property rights as protected under any law for the time being enforced, and student is likely provoke at backup, glamorize or justify violence, commission of any crime, terror or leads to serious public disorders, and is also known to be false or there existent sufficient reasons to be believed that the same may be false beyond or responsible doubt, and contained criticism against the judiciary or armed force of Pakistan, and the amount to bullying, blackmail or false incriminations of any persons. And student, the insulting as defined in the law for the time being enforced or give a picture of a behavior such as smoking, alcohol consumption, narcotics and drug abuse as a glamorous or looked for, provided that a way showing of smoking, alcohol consumption and drugs use is necessary for dramatic or educational purpose. A clear notice as to harmful effects of the same shall also be shown altogether. Dear student, here's the prejudice without prejudice to any other restriction in this regard. A student, while reporting the proceeding of the Parliament or student or provisional assembly, such as a portion of the proceeding as the chairman of Senate and the Speaker of National Assembly, or student as the case may be, Speaker of the Provisional Assembly may have ordered to be removed, shall not be broadcast or distributed, and every effort shall be made to release a fair account of the proceedings. Now here is the statements of illegal organization or their representatives or members shall not be aired unless such statement is an admission which may be in the larger public interests for exposing the ideology, abuse of religion or barbarism, provided always that such a broadcast does not in any way add or support or worship or give excuse to their means and ways in any shape or forms. And the private behavior information, private behavior and information correspondence and conversation should not be brought into public domain, a student, unless there is a public interest that outweighs the protection of the privacy. Electronic Media Code of Conduct 2015 student, the news and current affair program says a sub outline news, current affair, any political or analytical program on subjudiciary matters. News shall be clearly unnecessary details and footages. Let's start with the news current affair. The license shall ensure that the news, current affair, or documentary programs shall present information in an accurate and fair manner. Student, any political or analytical program, whether it in the form of talk show or otherwise, shall be conducted in an objective manner, ensuring a representation of the concerned parties, and the guests shall be treated with due respect. And program on sub-judiciary matter may be aired in an informative manner and shall be handled objectively, provided that no content shall be aired which turns to prejudicially the determination by a court and tribunal or any other judicial. And the news shall be clearly well known from the observation, opinion, and analysis. Unnecessary details and footage of disgusting scenes, including bloodshed and dead bodies, shall not be exposed, and content based on the extracts of court proceeding, police records, and other sources shall be fair and correct. Student, in the talk shows or other similar program, the license and its employees shall ensure that information being provided is not false and not one-sided or misleading, and relevant facts are not blocked for commercial, institutional, or other special benefits, and the program is conducted in an objective and unbiased manner, and the program does not humiliate or put down a person or a group of persons, and the program does not impose into private life, sorrow, or distress of individuals unless such individual is a public figure and such interference is justified in the public interest. And any person interest of a reporter or a presenter which may call into question due to objectivity of the program shall be disclosed earlier to exposure of this program through an appropriate disassociation. And student, the news or any other program shall not be honored in a manner that is likely to risk any ongoing inquiry, investigation, or trial. And the editorial oversight, the license shall ensure that its representatives, hosts, and producers of the program shall discuss and review the contents of the program earlier to the program going on air and being recorded, and ensure that its content obey to and in letter and soul this code of conduct. Electronic Media Code of Conduct, programming mix and live coverage, plagiarism, coverage of incidents of violence and crime, religious tolerance and coordination. Let's start with the program mix, like live coverage. The student, in programming mix and live coverage means no license shall broadcast any live program, student, unless there is an effective delaying mechanism put in place in order to ensure effective monitoring and editorial control in the traditional values but this code and conflict of interest. The license shall ensure that all those responsible for content development do not take advantage of information gained in the course of their professional duties and for private gain, including but not limited to program relating to stock market and financial matters. Plagiarism, the license shall ensure licensee ensure that its representative, particularly those who are responsible for a content design, do not treat in plagiarism, and where content is rendered from another source, The appropriate credit shall be given to such sources in all programs where facts and figures are mentioned to source thereof should be quoted for the purpose of credibility of 6 programs. In case of no known as source, appropriate clarification shall be made by the host. Coverage of incident of accident, violence and crime. Student, the manager shall ensure that the coverage of incident of accident, violence and crime shall not provoke, glamorize or in any way promote violence or antisocial behavior, and such a coverage does not prejudice the success of an ongoing security operation. Or appropriate notice shall be given unfound for content which may be potentially upsetting, so as to enable viewers to make an informed choice. Scenes with violence or suffering, such as close-up shots of a person cruelly tortured or killed, shall not be shown. Reporting of incidents of crime, accident, natural disaster, or violence does not create hurdles in releasing of the duties of the law enforcement agencies, rescue agencies, hospital, doctors, and etc. And during any ongoing rescue or security operation, identity and number of victims or other important information shall not be revealed unless the identical is unjustified by the rescue or security agency in charge of the operation. And there is no live coverage of any ongoing security operation by the law enforcement agencies, and manager shall air only such information as may be justified by the security agencies in charge of the operation. Manager shall not air the reward other than announced by the competent authority, and the manager shall ensure that the coverage of activities in conflict zone are carried out in agreement with the guideline issued by the concerned law enforcement agency, and the manager shall not honor the theoretical or biased reporting that may give and take any security operation. Manager shall ensure that any of its reporter, cameraman or other crew does not enter the area where security operation is being carried out without their permission of the security agency in charge of the operation, and the manager shall provide a necessary protection kit and training to its reporter, cameraman and other crew member for coveraging of their crime, incident or conflict zone. Religious tolerance. The manager shall ensure that the programs aired by it do not contain any insulting statement or visual which is likely to lead to bias, hatred or conflict with reference to any religion, sect, community or ethnic group, and beliefs and practice of any faith, and described actually when discussed, and interfaith coordination is promoted at all times, and no program or comment is aired which incites or overlook act of violence and encourage a violation of law in the name of religion, sect, community or ethnic group or any other pretext. Code of conduct for media broadcaster or cable television operators program. Dear student, no program shall be aired which passes insulting remarks about any religion or sect or community, and particularly care should be taken to ensure that program meant for children do not contain objectionable language or are disrespectful to the appearance or elder. And while reporting the proceeding of the parliament or the provisional assemblies, such a portion of the proceedings as the chairman Student contains an insulting comment that, when taken in context, turns to or is likely to expose an individual or a group or class of individuals to hatred or dislike on the basis of race, caste, national, ethnic, or color, or religion, or sect, age, or mental or physical disability, and contains anything insulting or meaningfully false, is likely to encourage and provoke violence, or contains anything against the maintenance of law and order, or which promotes anti-national or anti-state attitude, and contain anything amounting to contempt of the court, and against the basic culture values, ethics, and good manners, bring into contempt Pakistan or its people, or turns to determine its integrity or unity as an independent country. Anything which turns to glorify crimes or criminals, and contains materials which may be harmful to relation of Pakistan with other countries, or contains materials which is against the ideology of Pakistan or Islamic rules and values, and particular care should be taken to ensure that programs meant for children do not contain the objectionable language or disrespectful to their parents or elders. And while reporting the proceeding of the Parliament or the Provincial Assembly, such portions of the proceeding as the chairman or the speaker may have ordered to be removed shall not be broadcast or distributed, and every effort shall be made to release a fair account of the proceedings of the Parliament or the Provisional Assembly. Code of conduct for media broadcaster or cable television operator program. Advertisement aired or distributed by a broadcast or cable television station shall be designed in such a manner that it conforms to the law of the country and is not offensive to morals and religious sects of the people of Pakistan. Dear student, no advertisement shall be permitted which promotes or support seditions or violence in country, and is against any provisions of the Constitution of Pakistan and student, or any other law of the time being enforced. Turns to provoke people to crime, cause violence, or breach of law, or glorifies violence of offensiveness in any way, change historical facts, traditions of Pakistan, or the person or personality of a national leader or the state celebrity, and fans racial, sectarian, narrow, or class hated, promotes social inequality, militates against a concept of the human dignity and dignity of a labor, is directed against purity or home or family and marriages, and contains references that are likely to lead the public to conclude that the product advertised or any of its ingredients has some special property or quality which is incapable of being established, and contains offensive themes or treatment, or contains material which is repugnant to the ideology of Pakistan or Islamic values. The student, the goods or services advertised shall not suffer from any defects which are harmful to human health. Misleading news about the goods shall not be made, and no advertisement which is likely to be seen by children in large number should impulse children directly to purchase goods of the particular brand or ask their parents to do so, and all the advertisement must be clearly unique as such, and be separate from the programs, and should not in any manner take the form of news or documentary. Acts. Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Act 1973 And student, the Indecent Advertisement Prohibitions Act 1963, the Right of Access to Information Act 2017. Let's start the acts of Pakistan, like Pakistan Broadcast Corporation Act 1973. Pakistan, like Pakistan Broadcast Corporation Act 1973. APC Act 1973, amendment under the Ordinance 2002. Dear student, as edited under the Ordinance 2002 dated 26/10/2002, initially it extends to the entire of Pakistan, and it shall come into the force at once and shall be considered to have taken effect on the 20th day of December 1972. Context: amendment by Section 2 of Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Amendment Ordinance of 2002 dated 26/10/2002. Dear student, is the establishment and incorporation of the corporation. As from the beginning of this act, student, there shall be established a corporation to be called the Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, and the corporation shall be a body corporate by the name of the Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, and having long-lasting sequence and common seal, with the power to hold and dispose of the property, and shall by this said name sue and be sued. And student, here is the management. The board shall consist of the following members, like Secretary to the Government of Pakistan, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting as a chairman, and one well-known person each from the four provinces related to media and management to be appointed by the federal government member, and additional foreign secretary, additional secretary finance member, Director General ISPR member, Managing Director PTVC member, and the Director General PBC, and a representative of the Interior Division members. Dear student, the chairman and the member mentioned above at sections of 2 of subsection shall be ex-official members of the board, and the members appointed under the section 2 of subsection 2 shall hold office for a term of 3 years, and shall be eligible or for reappointment, but is no case for more than 2 repeated terms. They may, by giving in writing to the federal government a notice of not less than 1 month, resign their offices, and provided that the resignation shall not take effect until it has been accepted by the federal government. Student, here is the meeting of the board. The board shall meet as such a time as such a place as may be approved by the regulation. To constitute a minimum number at a meeting of a board, the chairman, or in his absence a member authorized by him, and 2 other members shall be present. The chairman, or in his absence a member authorized by him, shall supervise at the meeting of the board. General, there shall be Director General of the corporation, who shall be appointed by the federal government on such salary and the terms and conditions as the federal government may determine, and shall be the chief executive of the corporation. The Director General shall hold office during the pleasure of the federal government and delegation of the power. The board may from time to time delegate any of his power to the Director General or any other officer of the corporation. Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Act 1973, amendment under the Ordinance of 2002. Here's the function of the corporation. The functions of the corporation shall be to broadcast such program as may promote the Islamic ideology, national unity, and principle of the democracy, freedom, equality, tolerance, and social justice. A student as said by the Islam and discourage a narrow-minded racial, tribal, sectarian, and provisional biasness and reflect the desires and goals of the people of Pakistan. Student to broadcast in the home service such a special program as the federal government may from time to time direct, and to broadcast program in the external service to such countries and in such languages and at such time as the federal government may from time to time direct, and to bring to public awareness the entire range of significant activity to present news or events in as accurate and impartial a manner as possible, and to carry out instruction of the federal government with regard to general pattern or policies in respect of program announcement and news to be put out on the air from time to time, and to hold the existence and to build or obtain additional kit and tool for telephony in Pakistan for purpose of broadcasting. Dear student, to compile, prepare, print, publish, issue or circulate and distribute with or without charge such paper, magazine, periodicals, books, circulars, and other such materials or matters as may be conductive to any of the functions of the corporation, and to collect news and information in any part of the world in any manner that may be supposed to fit, and in the discharge of its function, the corporation shall be guided on questions of the policy by the instruction, if any given to it from time to time by the federal government. We shall be the sole judge as to whether a question is a question of a policy. Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Act 1973, amendment under Ordinance 2002, the rules and regulations, power to make rules, power to make regulation and repeal. Power to make rules. The federal government may make rules for carrying out the purposes of this act. Power to make regulation. The board may, with the previous approval of the federal government, make regulation to provide for all matters not required to be provided for by rules and for which provision is necessary or useful or for carrying out the purposes of this act. The regulation make under this section on the first occasion other than those having financial effects may be made so as to have effect from the date of the establishment of the corporation. Repeal the Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Ordinance 1972 is hereby repealed. Recent Advertisement Prohibitions Act 1963 weighs the national interest of Pakistan in relation to the achievement of regularity. Within the meaning of this section, prohibitions against person advertising, displaying, etc. indecent advertisement, and the punishment, appropriation of documents, violation by the companies, and complaint by police officers. It shall come into force at once. Advertisement includes any notice, circular, or other documents displayed on any house, building, or wall, or published in any newspaper or periodical, and any announcement made orally or by any means of bring into beings or transmitting light or sound, but does not include red circular issued by the manufacturers or drugs to medical consultants. Prohibitions against person advertising, displaying, etc. indecent advertisement subject to the provisions of this act. No person shall take any part in the publication of any advertisement which is indecent, and no person having the ownership or control of any property or public place shall expressively allow any advertisement which is indecent to be displayed on such a property or place or to be announced therefore, and the punishment whoever breaks any of the provisions of this act shall on belief be punished in this case of any following view with the custody which may extend to 1 year or with a fine or with both. Violation by companies. Dear student, if the person breaking any of the provisions of this act is a company, every person who at the time the crime was detected or was in charge of and was responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company, and student as well as the company shall be damned to be guilty of the breaking and shall be liable to be proceed against the punishment accordingly. Complaint by a police officer without biases to the right of any other persons to make a complaint of an crime. Under this act, student, a police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector who receive information that such an crime has been committed shall, if he is satisfied as the truth of the information, make a complaint of the crime in writing to the nearest magistrate having the authority. Thank you so much, student. That was the ending of our lecture.